This video will show how to calibrate your DEN-1 or DEN-1B McFarland densitometers. Calibration points must be measured from lower to higher values. Available calibration points are 0.5 McFarland and then range from 1 to 6 with 1 McFarland step. In this video, we will be using our CKG16 calibration kit. To press the calibration buttons, use a pin approximately 2 mm in size. To start the calibration, press the Select button on the rear of the unit. Display will show dashes. Press Install button to save the empty socket value. Display shows next required calibration value. Display shows 0 indication. Insert standard for 0 value into the socket of the unit. Before placing the standard, gently mix the standard like shown in this video. If the standard for 0 value is not available, fill the tube of the kind that is used for your operations with distilled water. Press Install button to save the 0 value standard. Display shows next required calibration value. Repeat that process until you reach 4 McFarland units standard. In this calibration kit, the 5 and 6 McFarland standards are not available. To skip those, press the Select button. After skipping the last value, unit automatically exits calibration mode and is ready for operation. If the inserted standard has a lower turbidity value than the previous standard, the Install button will not save the value. If you are using the correct standard, then gently shake it or replace the standard. To reset the calibration of the unit to the factory settings, ensure that you are in the working mode and the socket of the unit is empty. Press and hold Install key for 5 seconds. The unit will display a dot. Then it changes to 0. The values are now reset. Switch off the unit using the power switch. If an external power supply is used, disconnect it from the electric circuit. Use of different size McFarland calibration kit, for example 12 mm standards, will require an optional A12 adapter. 18 mm McFarland calibration kit can be used by removing the included A16 adapter. Also, if you are using standards from other manufacturers, it is important that they do not fit loosely in the socket. For more information, contact your regional Biosam representative.